na current yun, yung kuryente, dumadali sa contactor. Okay, what is the direct current? The direct current is an electrical current that flows in one direction only. One direction only. Okay? Isang direction lang. Unlike alternating current, meron siyang cycle. Paikot-ikot. Example ng direct current is the battery. Ano? Yung battery is merong negative positive, hindi pwede pagbaliktaran yun. Ano? Tama? Ano? Ang sample ng direct current is the battery. Yun yung power source niya. Ang sample naman ng alternating current, yung mga outlet natin. Ano? Makikita nyo, ano pagkakaiba. Next, electric current. Electrical circuit, positive, electrical circuit.